We have a solenoid, that's an inductor with resistivity rho. So that's an inductor with an internal resistance. The solenoid has n turns per unit length. Thickness is negligible. Cross-sectional radius is A. So cross-sectional radius is A. We need to find the phase difference between current and alternating voltage if frequency fed is nu. So let's draw the phasor diagram. So because both L and R are in series, we'll take current along the x-axis because that current is common in a series LR circuit. So R will be along here, XL will be along here. So this ratio of XL by R will be phi. And this is where the voltage will be. So this gives tan phi is XL by R. So XL is omega L. So tan phi is omega L by R. And we know in series RL circuits, so we can see current lags voltage by phi. So this is what we know in a LR circuit. So now let's see the problem. So we need to find the phase difference. The phase difference is omega L by R. So that's what we need to calculate in terms of what is given to us. So frequency is given, so omega will be 2 pi nu. L is mu naught n square V for a solenoid. N is given to us, V will be pi a square L. Pi a square L. So we are just assuming that our solenoid is, the diameter of the wire is D and length of the solenoid is L. So in that case, V will be pi a square L. Resistance of this wire, which is wound, is rho L naught by A. L naught is the length of the total wire, that is 2 pi A into number of turns. So L naught is 2 pi A into number of turns. And number of turns are number of turns per unit length into length, that is NL. Area is cross-sectional area of the wire itself. So that will be pi d square by 4. And d is 1 by n. So that's a very small proof. So d, we know n represents turns per unit length. So you can see the units. So it is turns per unit length. So 1 by n unit will be length per unit turn. So length per unit turn is diameter. So that's why we are writing d in form of 1 by n. That's what I've written here also. So n is number of turns per unit length. So number of turns for this is L upon d and length is L. So this is 1 by d. So d is 1 by n. So what we are doing here is we are getting the terms that are given in the problem. So that is nu, L, A, N, L, N. So we put those values here and we'll get our answer. All right.